Hi! Welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will try to show you a faster and smarter way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve the problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. Find the ratio in which the point x, 4/3, and 4 divides the line A, 3 and 5, and B, -2 and 2. A, 1:4, B, 1:1, C, 3:2, D, 1:2, E, 2:3. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. Assuming the ratio to be 1:n and using the formula to find the coordinates of point of intersection, we get 4/3 equals -2 times 1 minus n times 3 over 1 plus n. 4 plus 4n equals -6 plus 9n. Therefore, 5n equals 10 and n equals 2. Hence, ratio is equal to 1:2. You could also use the y-coordinate as shown below. 4 equals 1 times 2 plus n times 5 over 1 plus n. 4 plus 4n equals 2 plus 5n. 2 plus 5n, therefore n is equal to 2. Hence, ratio is 1:2. And the answer is letter D. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the same question and see. Remember, our answer was option D, 1:2. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, it's analyzing the problem now. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT's answer is 4:5, which is incorrect because the correct answer is 1:2, option D. Well, ChatGPT can make mistakes, as the disclaimer says at the bottom of the page. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember our answer was option D, 1:2. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem and if it can get the correct answer. Alright. Gemini got the answer faster than ChatGPT and it also got the correct answer, which is letter D, 1:2. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. If a line is cut by a point in a certain ratio, then its length along the x-axis and that along the y-axis is also cut in the same ratio. In this case, we choose the y-coordinate since the coordinates are all integers and hence easy to work with. Length of AX along y-axis is equal to 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. Length of XB along y-axis is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Hence, the ratio is equal to ratio of length of AX. to that of xb, which is equal to 1:2, and that is option D. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. There's also another shortcut here, which is shorter than the one shown above. If you look at the x-coordinate of x, it is a fraction with denominator 3. Now, look at the options and find that option whose sum of numerator and denominator is 3. In this case, the option is D, which is the correct answer. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer using this method is 5 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.